your full screen is not clear. Okay, let me just put this thing. Yeah. So can you just able to see my screen, right? Yes. So I think, yeah, if it's MS Office 2000, it might be correct, right? Okay. But the thing is, like, we can also harden MS Office 2007 also, sir. Like there are some steps are there. So we'll see like in detail how to harden a software, a browser, a browser, or what we say like a OS. Inside the OS, what are the softwares are there? If it is Apache web service there, so how to harden? So these are some of the things which we can see in after the post lunch. Okay. Yeah, I think some of the questions are there. Yeah. So I think if you have any questions, you can ask me, sir. So after this thing, there is a one more tool with respect to the CIS-CAD. Okay. I'm just typing in my chat box. So please try to download the tool. Okay. Version 3. Syscat-Lite version 3. So which gives you the specially the compliance. Okay. The compliance, like someone has told like they how to mitigate like zero-day exploits and all this. Okay. Suppose if your PC is vulnerable to zero-day exploit. Okay. Suppose you hardened your PC. Okay. So there might be no chances like your PC may vulnerable. Your chart is not visible, but have kept for all panelists, right? I think can for all the members it is same thing. Your chat is not visible. Can I think other members can see my chat? I think Vipin sir has told like my chat is not visible. It is problem for same others also. No, I think sir you have to keep your this chart options to everyone or all panelists. Okay, so Sanjay sir, you can able to see Vishalji. I think you can, yeah, it's visible here. Okay. Okay, I have done that. Okay, so I think the others can able to see, right? No, still. Okay. No, I don't see. I can see. Saroj Kumar ji is telling like she can see. Mishra ji, we are not getting chat. I think Naresh, are you there? Hello, Naresh.
Yes, I am here.
What are the
I am able to
settings?
see.
Yeah, we are. What is the setting they have to keep for seeing my chat?
You have to post to everyone, and the participant also kept for everyone.
Okay,
Your settings only. Your settings only.
I have kept to all
Whenever you are
panelists.
sending something. No, no,
Okay.
no, no. Post to everyone. Post to everyone.
Host and presenter, huh? Host and presenter.
No, 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 no. You keep it as all attendees or
Oh,
everyone. That is the best option is everyone.
all attendees have kept it. Okay.
Okay. Kept it everyone.
Everyone, huh? Okay. Yeah, everyone. Okay. So just
If there is anything, everyone is there. Only all attendees are there.
now you
No,
can you
everyone
able to see Vipinji? Can you? Okay, Vipinji is okay. So okay. Okay. So I'm just repeating the tool names. Bellark Advisor. Okay. The download link also I'm just sending you. Yeah, this is the download link for downloading your Bellark Advisor. So I think hope please download it so that we can discuss the what exactly your security foster and what are the vulnerable softwares which are present in your PC, whether it is updated at what time and all those things. Okay, so you can just try it in your PC once whether you can able to see or not. Okay. Yeah. I think yeah, this is one of the tool actually Bellark Advisor. So I just discuss with some of the things. Yeah, so someone has told like security updates 4 missing. Can Sanjuji can you tell me like what is the I mean, like what exactly the patches are missing? Can you just click that security for missing updates? So whether it is respect to OS or whether it is respect to your 26 missing. I think you have to update you, sir, as soon as possible. Vipinji, 26 missing means I think you have to update your PC as soon as possible. So I downloaded and 7 security updates. Okay. Yeah. So the simple thing is, I think you can go to the control panel and there is a Windows update options. Okay. So what are the updates is required for your PC? So it will automatically install. Okay. So some members will keep in the manual and some of the settings are been kept in the automatic mode. Okay. So it is a best practice. You have to keep your updates are in the your automatic mode. Okay. In my desktop, it says that is really, it says it is already updated. Okay. Yeah. No, it sometimes is like you have to go to the some packages or some updates will not happen. Okay. So for that purpose, you have to go for that manual option and you have to see that history. And sometimes if it is not installed or roll out or when you restart forcefully, so it will not install that updates. Okay. So hotfix ID, severity, description, CPU, yeah, Oracle, Java, you have to update it. And there is a Microsoft security updates. So these are some of the things you have to install update as soon as possible. Okay. So if you otherwise that KB file is there, no, you just copy and paste it, and you can download that. This is the thing, KB. This is the thing, I just copy it, copy, and send to everyone. Just download this particular KB file. Okay. So this is the hotfix ID. You can install, download it, and you can install it. Okay. So suppose with respect to the Oracle, you can just go to that KB. Java ID 32, Java 7 is there. So these are some of the things you have to do at your end. So for hardening your PCs, okay. Do you think that using 32 bit machine is considering of both Linux and no longer some crucial update for this? It's not like the 32 bit machine or 64-bit machine, sir. How far you are updating your OS is one of the great crucial thing. Okay. So Linux and Windows, they are both same, but compared to Linux, I think Windows is somewhat vulnerable. But unless and until if you harden your PCs, if you harden your softwares, if you harden your OS, you can tell like my PC is okay. Okay. Like hardening your updates is not as thing. Like you also have to do the compliance check also. Like how to do the compliance check with respect to CI/SCAT, syscat tool. We'll see like after the lunch session. Okay. I think we can go for the lunch. I think we can join by 1:45 as per the schedule. So if you have any doubts, you can just tell me with respect to the Bellark advisor. Okay. So afternoon session, we'll see like how to find out your compliance of your PC. Okay. So what exactly the score you will get for your PC? Suppose if it is not hardened. Okay. And what is the vulnerabilities can be possible? What kind of attacks is possible? We'll see like using your syscat tool. Okay. So I request you to all to install this tool. I'll just typing in the chat option syscat Lite. Okay, version 3. Can you share this PPT with us? Yes, sir. We will share this PPT with you. Don't worry, not to worry about the PPTs and these things. Okay. So we'll have this lab also to have which you have to be perform at your end. Okay. I think we'll be joining by 1:45, sir. Okay. I think as per the schedule, we'll be joining by 1:45. Okay.